special. Gosh, look how freaking gorgeous this thing is. Holy cow. I mean, this is like one of the nicest colored browns I've ever caught. It's a nice brown. I'd walk right there. He's gonna spook if you go any farther. Just throw it right there. You're gonna have to get it out there. You're gonna have to actually put the, oh, there's another one. Did you see him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're gone. Good job, Kyle. Well, now they're in better water, so.
Oh yeah, I see them out there.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice brown.
Here you go, buddy. Real nice brown. Gray RS2. Oh, shoot. What's that? Yeah. Uh-oh. Shoot. Lost my other fly though. Nice one. Come here. See right where my indicator's going? Yeah. There's a fish and he's eating a lot. Yeah, he's good size, but he doesn't want what I have on. Oh. It's not, it's just the bottom. So why don't you come over here and throw to him real quick and see if you can't get him to take. Do you see him? I've got a soft tackle as my first fly, and then a jujubaitis as my second fly.
Really? They don't want the juju?
Nope. I mean, I've been putting it right on him. So you're, oh, okay, yeah, so you see him?
I do.
Okay. Well, that's actually good. I'd leave that. Okay, try again. That's good. Leave that. Yeah, he's real picky.
Further than that.
Yeah, I'd put it out another 1.5 feet. That'll probably get to him. Yeah, looks good. Set. He's there. Oh, did you see him move to it?
Yeah.
He went to look at it. And I think he rejected it at the last minute. He's ferocious. I mean, he's not huge, but San Juan emerger or South Platte emerger. It's a good looking trout though. Yeah. Yeah, there's some chunkers in here. And they're clean. Look how clean these fish are. Oh, God.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that thing. Big
Nice
old
looking fish.
big old hen. This little guy's got some tug to him. Nice. That's a good looking brown. That's a nice little brown. Yeah, I just nabbed a brown down there. Yeah, it was real nice one, real clean and.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
How big?
Oh, nothing like that, but pretty.
What do you take?
He took a flashback, a 10 flashback RS2.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look at that. Hold on. Turn her into the sun a little bit. Oh, there we go. There he is. The man, the myth, the legend. And here, oops. There she goes.
She go?
Yeah, she's gone. That was the one I was after. It's still good. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that one's definitely got more muscle than mine did.
Yeah. Whoa.
Dude. Well, I just lost the fish of the day.
Wow.
Looks like you're chugging the beer. We bled, we cried, but we were victorious. Dang, that's a fat hen, man.
Yeah, she's real big. Real big. Right over in the.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I told you. Well, she was giving me such a fit. She's huge.
I gotta come this way more. I'm gonna give it a shadow. Jeez.
Yep. There you go. That is a fatty pinati.
Nice buck.
This can be a good shot. Nice. Look at that guy. Look at the smile on his face.
He's a cool brown.
Yeah, he's real clean. All these fish are just ridiculous. Yeah, that's a good fish, dude.
Cool. I'll take one of those any day.
Yeah, that was like some straight up gorilla fly fishing right there. Sneaking through the willows at him. Oh, he's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a decent fish, I'm not gonna lie. Nice brown.
Oh,
You get off? Oh,
that's a nice brown.
yeah, it was. He's hard to see. Oh, there he is. Nice. Okay. I got him. Yeah, nice rainbow. Real nice rainbow. Took your bottom fly.
The old Rainbow Warrior strikes again. That's a nice color.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're nice and cold after being in the river